sloka a day. A sloka a day keeps you free from shoka. Study the namas in each sloka, understand their meanings, memorize the words, repeat them as often as you can, recite the mantras, causing deep vibrations. Praise Him, worship Him, and prostrate yourself before Him. Meditate on the namas and the mantras. Become receptive and thus reap the fruit of divine grace. It helps you to chart out a sure and joyous journey towards eternal bliss. Anirvinnasthavishto bhuः
अनिर्विण्णस्थविष्टो भूः
धर्मयूपो महामखः
धर्मयूपो महामखः
नक्षत्रनेमिर्नक्षत्री
नक्षत्रनेमिर्नक्षत्री
क्षमः क्षामः समीहनः
क्षमः क्षामः समीहनः
अनिर्विण्णः
अनिर्विण्णः
स्थविष्ठः
स्थविष्टः
भूः
भूः
धर्मयूपः
धर्मयूपः
महामखः
महामखः
नक्षत्रनेमिः
नक्षत्रनेमिः
नक्षत्री
नक्षत्री
क्षमः
क्षमः
क्षामः
क्षामः
समीहनः
समीहनः
ॐ अनिर्विण्णाय नमः
ॐ अनिर्विण्णाय नमः
ॐ स्थविष्ठाय नमः
ॐ स्थविष्ठाय नमः
ॐ भुवे नमः
ॐ भुवे नमः
ॐ धर्मयूपाय नमः
ॐ धर्मव्यूपाय नमः
ॐ महामखाय नमः
ॐ महामखाय नमः
ॐ नक्षत्रनेमिने नमः
ॐ नक्षत्रनेमिने नमः
ॐ नक्षत्रिणे नमः
ॐ नक्षत्रिणे नमः
ॐ क्षमाय नमः
ॐ क्षमाय नमः
ॐ क्षामाय नमः
ॐ क्षामाय नमः
ॐ समीहनाय नमः
ॐ समीहनाय नमः
He is Anirvinnah. He remains ever vigilant in his engagement with the world. Dharma stands as the head of his universal body. He remains steadier than the stars. He runs the zodiac and the stellar spheres. He supports the entire cosmic weight. At the time of dissolution, he gets dwindled in size, and only a few stellar bodies keep him company. When the process of creation starts, he entrusts everyone with duties and responsibilities.